Hello and welcome to Digital Guide 103, and today I'll be guiding you through how to add an affiliate link onto your profile. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button below. First of all, let's just take a look at an example that I have found to show you. This Instagram is Donna Hayes' Instagram account, and in her profile you can see a Linktree link. Now if we click on this, it will come up with a bunch of options to click on, being her recipes and website and newsletters. So we can essentially do the same thing, but with an affiliate link. So if we go across to Linktree, we have two options. So we can either sign in or sign up, and I'll just show you here. If I go to pricing up the top, that you can sign up for free, and below here are all these key features that you can get with the free sign up. Now that we are logged in, we can now add our link. First, we want to click on the plus button at the top, and it will come up with a URL section. This is where we can add our affiliate link. Today, I will just add one of my links from my YouTube channel as an example. And then we can just press add and then rename what you want to call your link. We can also add multiple links to our Linktree just by going back to the plus button at the top and adding another link. You can then go to share in the top right hand corner and scroll down to the bottom and press copy. Coming across to my phone Instagram app, I will go to edit profile, go to add link, and then paste that link we copied from Linktree into that space. Once this is done, we can click the tick in the top right hand corner. There you have it, how to add multiple affiliate links to your Instagram profile.